Hi, everyone. In today's Google Docs tutorial, I'll show you how to crop an image into a perfect circle. This is a neat trick if you want to make your documents look more polished and creative. First, open your Google Doc and go to the Insert menu. From there, choose Drawing, then click New. This will open a drawing window where you can work with your image. Next, click on the image icon and upload or select the picture you'd like to crop. Once your image is in the drawing canvas, you can resize it by dragging the corners until you get the size you want. Now, here's the key step. Select the image, then click on the crop icon. Instead of the regular crop, use the small drop-down arrow next to it. From the menu, go to Shapes and choose the circle. Instantly, your picture will be cropped into a circular shape. You can still adjust it by dragging the handles, making sure the important parts of your photo are centered. Once you're happy, click Save and Close, and your circular image will appear in your document. From here, you can move the image around, place it behind text, in front of text, or resize it as needed. And if you ever want to make changes, just click Edit to go back into the drawing window. And that's it. You've successfully cropped an image into a circle inside Google Docs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and check the link in the description for the full step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching.